In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix Netflix not opening on my smart TV. So actually, I was able to fix it quite quickly, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did. So basically what I did firstly is that I went into settings. So I have the settings wheel right here, as you can see. Then I clicked on OK on my remote, and I'm now taken to this page right here. In here, I just scrolled down until I can see apps right here and clicked on OK. And then I scrolled down and I clicked on Netflix right here, as you can see. Then basically I just forced stop this one, and then I clicked on OK. And then what I did is that I scrolled down again and I clicked on clear cache, and then I clicked on OK in here. And what you can do, you can go back now. I'm clicking on this button right here to be able to go back. As you can see, you can now go back to this page right here. Another thing we can do is to go into apps. So as you can see, apps is right here. And then in here, if you have Google Play Store on your apps here, it's perfect. You can just go there. But for some of you, and me included, we have to search for the app itself right here. So I'm just going to click on OK button right here. And then I'm just going to simply search for Netflix. I'm actually just going to search for net because it's faster, and then click right here. Then I'm just going to wait for it. And here is Netflix. So I'm just going to click on Netflix here. And then as you can see, it says open for me down below right here. But if it says something like update for you, then you can actually just click on it, because then you need to update your app, and that might also fix this issue. If it still is not working, then what you can try to do, and this has worked for a lot, I know, for a lot of my friends that have problems with Netflix. So what you can do is to actually, let's see actually where it is. So I have this power thing right here, as you can see. So you can actually disconnect your power right here if you have it. Just disconnect and then put it back in once again on the TV, because it will basically close your TV, and then you will reboot it once again. And you can try that and see if that will also fix this issue for you.